In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io for customer acquisition. This is a tool that can completely transform the way you approach lead generation. Whether you're just starting or looking for a way to scale your outreach efforts, Apollo.io provides an all-in-one solution for finding and engaging high-quality prospects. Stick around because later I'll be sharing how you can access Apollo.io for free through an exclusive bonus link below. Apollo.io offers a powerful suite of tools to help businesses grow by streamlining lead generation, email outreach, and data management. It's designed to help you find potential customers with ease and quickly turn them into valuable business relationships. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by the search feature, which is the heart of Apollo.io. You can use it to create highly targeted lists based on various criteria, such as job titles, industries, location, company size, and more. This allows you to focus on prospects who are most likely to convert, saving you time and effort on unqualified leads. One of the most powerful features here is the ability to filter by specific technographic data. For example, you can find businesses that already use a certain software, which means they might be more inclined to consider your offering. Once you've built your list, Apollo.io makes it easy to engage those leads through email sequences. You can automate your outreach with a series of personalized emails that are triggered based on the prospect's behavior. This is incredibly powerful for nurturing leads, as it allows you to keep the conversation going without manually sending each email. Plus, Apollo.io integrates with popular email platforms like Gmail, ensuring everything stays in sync. Now let's talk about tracking your progress. Apollo.io gives you deep insights into how your emails are performing. You can see open rates, click-through rates, and replies all in real time. This data is crucial because it lets you optimize your outreach and understand what's working and what isn't, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Another huge benefit of Apollo.io is the team collaboration feature. You can have multiple team members work on the same account, manage leads, and track outreach efforts. This makes it an excellent choice for companies of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to large sales teams. But here's the thing, you don't have to commit right away. Apollo.io offers a free version with limited but useful features. And if you're looking to take things to the next level, there are paid plans that unlock even more powerful tools, like deeper data insights and additional integrations. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how do I start using Apollo.io for customer acquisition? It's simple. Just head to the link in the description below to sign up for Apollo.io. You can get started today, and if you use my exclusive link, you'll even get an extended free trial with some extra bonuses. In summary, Apollo.io is a must-have tool for anyone serious about customer acquisition. Whether you're new to digital marketing or a seasoned pro, this platform provides everything you need to streamline your lead generation, automate outreach, and close deals faster. So, make sure to click the link in the description below to claim your free trial and bonus access today. You'll be able to experience Apollo.io's full suite of features for yourself, and I guarantee it will make a noticeable difference in your customer acquisition efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.